Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice oxide white coloring, this vehicle's powered by a dual-E motor with a standard battery range, has the max trailer tow package, and taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch, rear park sensing. We do get a nice tailgate step with a bed camera up there. We do get a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection. You get lights on your mirrors. This is where you plug in your charger for it, which is pretty nice. You can lock it into place. And looking at the front, we got that iconic lightning light bar that goes across the front. We got recovery hooks, front view camera, and we do get a nice powered frunk that will open automatically for you, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, which provides you with tons of storage. You even get storage underneath with your mobile power cord, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, and you do get some outlets because you do get Power Onboard with this vehicle. And to close it, all you have to do, hit there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, a carpeted interior. We got cup holders, a 12 volt behind here. Two USB-Cs and 120. And of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, with that being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You have your frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 29.1 kilometers. We have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our leather wrap gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. Got that leather wrap center console. That is lockable with your key just right there, which you just attach it right there, and it allows you to have tons of storage underneath. We got heated front seats with dual climate, a 12 volt and 120. You got storage above and below, storage right here. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your audio, navigation, which is pretty handy, your fave app, messaging, email, Power Onboard, zone lighting, your drive modes, charge settings. For your drive modes, you do get normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and you do get the classic one-pedal drive, lock-in differential, and hill descent. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your basic vehicle settings right here, and your features of the vehicle, and you do get Protrailer Assist and your trailer brake. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG06775, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.